Hey, good evening and welcome back in. Heading into the weekend, we had some storms across the Bluegrass today, and we're going to see quite a few more opportunities as we get into tomorrow and our Sunday. A severe threat exists for our Saturday afternoon, a little higher threat than even what we had today. Luckily, no storms became severe. We did have a couple of stronger ones, though, later in the afternoon. As we get into Sunday, more rain is going to be in the forecast on a lighter basis, though, and again, not probably severe in that case. The good news is even on the other side of these storm chances, cooler and less humid air comes back, and possibly another taste of September for us as we get into early parts of next week. But let's talk about how we get into tomorrow and what we've got to deal with. A level 2 risk is highlighted across central and eastern Kentucky here for an opportunity of scattered storms causing damaging winds, some large hail. Can't even rule out a brief chance for a spin-up tornado as we go into some of those cells tomorrow evening. We've got a level 1 risk highlighted outside of that, and it's all because a nice little cold front is going to start to work into the region late in the day. That's what we're going to be keeping a close eye on here as we roll into tomorrow. Currently, all of the storms have since moved out of eastern Kentucky. They're left with some cloud cover from Moorhead to London. Here in Lexington, a mix of clouds and some sunshine still as storms continue to move to the northeast. Can't rule out a stray shower overnight tonight as this cold front continues to inch a little bit closer. But what we're going to see is that front is going to recharge the opportunity for some storms as we get into tomorrow afternoon. The next big thing, Futurecast tracking it out for us here so we get a good idea of what is to come. You see a couple of these spotty showers and thunderstorms developing still along that front overnight tonight. As we get into tomorrow morning, things look mostly clear. We have some cloud cover, though, working in out ahead of that front again through the middle of the day. And then it's in the mid to late afternoon. We're going to start to see this spark come back. I would say anytime after about 1 p.m. and then all the way through midnight. Multiple chances for developing thunderstorms to exist for us there early afternoon, as you see here, moving into eastern Kentucky by 4 or 5. And then it redevelops again as we get into the later parts of the evening, 7, 8, 9 o'clock. We've got more storm chances rolling in through 10 and 11 as that front continues to push through. Then on the backside of it, we get some isolated chances for some spotty showers, maybe even a rumble or two as we get into Sunday afternoon. Not a washout by any means, just wet at times, and we're going to have the cloud cover continue to stick around through our Sunday. But the cooler temperatures will start to roll in because of that northwest flow, and it should start to feel pretty good. Rainfall totals for us here, the potential anyway, is anywhere from a ½ inch to an inch as those stronger spells start to develop. They're going to put down some good rainfall in a short amount of time, and if we get multiple in the same area, we'll see a pretty good amount of rain through the weekend. Saturday, high temperatures getting up towards 89 before those storms fire up. So it's going to be toasty tomorrow. Then as we get into Sunday, look at the difference, dropping almost 10 degrees for a high temperature. Lows get back into the 60s, and the muggy meter starts to come down. Still oppressive tomorrow, still pretty muggy on Sunday until that front completely passes. Then it drops into the low 60s, maybe even into the pleasant category as we get started for early next week. And it's going to feel a lot nicer for us early on. And that's what we're looking at actually after this whole weekend's done. Another cool down. That low that comes in with the cold front bringing us the storms, look at what it does. It settles in that cooler air, in some deep cooler air at that at times. We could see early next week some high temperatures struggling to even break 80. It's going to feel real nice for us here as we get into that final week of August on the other side of this weekend. So we've got a pleasant, nice forecast outside of these storm chances as we get into it here. Look at those lows down in the 50s. Can't complain about that with the nicer weather, but you do want to have your alerts on as the chance for strong storms comes in tomorrow.